My name is Ethan, and now I'm going to show you how to make a sponge cake. Now let me show you the ingredients. Maida, sugar, cooking oil, vanilla essence, baking powder, and eggs. Heat oil. And one cake is briefly set. I'm using my cake tin with oil. Blend the egg white well. Now I add egg yolk one by one. Blend it well again. Now we'll add in the oil and blend it for 2 seconds. I pour the batter in my cake tin. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. You can now enjoy the yummy cake.